Hi, I'm Karen Tyrrell and this is my book, Let's Play. Would you like me to read it to you? Play, play, play with me. Let's play a game together. Broom, broom, zoom, beep, beep. Sing, sing, sing a song. Let's sing a song together. Bounce, bounce, bounce on knees. Let's bounce and count together. 1, 2, 3. Peek, peek, peek-a-boo. Let's peek-a-boo together. Bake, bake, bake a cake. Let's bake a cake together. Thumbs up high. Thumbs up high together. Rum, tum, tummy, tum. Let's beat our drums together. Hide, hide, hide and seek. Let's hide, not peek, together. Pack, pack, pack away. Let's pack away together. Stop, stop, stop and go. Let's stop and go together. Hold, hold, holding hands. Let's hold our hands together. Splash, splash, splash away. Let's splish and splash together. Read, read, read a book. Let's read a book together. A, B, C. Oh look, that's me. And there's my grandson Sid. And we're reading Let's Play. Sleep, sleep. Oh, sleepy time. Shh. Sleepy time together. Shh. Let's Play is available from Play Matters Australia. Bye.